I was going to teach on the cruise by getting...
That is not what I sent to the preacher. I sent the professor of excellence.
Let's get it professional. Okay, so this dance is called One of Those Days. It's not on YouTube or no video or anything, so it's a dance that I made up on one leg when I was out of my, told my hotel attendant. So this is a 4-wall dance, there's 4 parts. Okay, y'all ready? All right, so here we go. We're gonna keep it real simple right here. Everybody ready? Good, because we're gonna be all over the floor on this one. So right here, right up, right back. 5, 6, 7, 8, right up, right back. Walk up, right, left. Okay? 5, 6. We're gonna keep going straight. We're gonna go right up, right back, walk right, kick, left. So 5, 6, 7, 8, right up, right back, walk right, kick, left. Am I good? I feel. Okay. All right.
Can everybody hear me? All right, right here, after you done kick, right, left, right, out, in, cross. Okay. On the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, right up, right back, walk up, right, kick, left, right, out, in, cross. I know some of y'all like, whoa, that? All I do is this. I went right up. All right, back. Walk up, walk right, kick, left, right, out, and cross. Right here. You're going right up with your left leg, you're going to do a 3/4 turn. Left, right. Tap back and out. One more time. Yep. All I need is this. I'm gonna start. Let's do right out. Right out and cross, right up on the left, right, tap, out. Yeah, all you doing is this. Rock your chair. Cross the 5-year-olds. Right here. I just went right out and cross, left, right, tap, back and out. 3/4 turn. All that's part 1. It's 4 parts of the thing. Try again, for the time. Yeah. Here you go. One of these days, y'all gonna understand the turn. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, right up, right back. Walk right, kick, left, right out and cross. Left, right, tap, back and out. We're gonna do it again. 5, 6, 7, you're going to end up on the wall on the right. Turn over your left shoulder. I got a cheat for those that got Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, right up. Right back. Walk up 2. Kick 2. Right out and cross round. Left, right tap out. Good. Your left foot should be out. All that's part 1. Ready for part 2?
Yeah.
Left foot is going to tap in, out, out. Right, keep it simple, keep it 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Good, from the top to that point. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right up, right back. Walk up 2. Kick 2. Right out and cross, right up on the left, right tap, out, in, out. You're going to do 3 lock steps going back. Start with the left foot. Left lock step, right lock step, left, right, lift. You're going back. So don't hit the camera, Denise. Right here. Left foot's out. You're coming back on the left. Left, right, left. Right, left, lift. One more time. All right, here we go. Yeah. Coming back on the lock step with the left foot. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. Tap out with the left foot. All you do is this. In, out, in, out. Left, right, left, 2, left, right, right. Everybody good? Yeah. Your left foot's already back. So all you do is take the left behind the right and turn, 2, 3. Wow, son, I can tell who go to church and do that. Right here. So right here, all we do is this. We're coming back. We're going to do it again. You're going to make a 3/4 turn to the back wall. 1, 2, 3. There you go. I feel good now. But guess what? That is part 2. Here we go. Part 2. And guess what? It don't matter which wall you're on. It's a 4-wall dance. So, we're starting this wall. Left foot's already out. This is part 2. Remember, you're going to tap in. 5, 6, tap in. In, out, in, out. Now, left lockstep, right lockstep. Left, right, left, right, and turn, 2, 3. Yeah, you have to do the dance. From the top to the front wall. Y'all got 2 more parts left. Here we go. Remember, I made some more leg. Let's put it there. Here we go. From the top. Oh, let's look at my part 6, 7, 8. Right up, right back. Walk up. Right, left kick. Right kick, left. Right, high cross, right. Up on the left step. Left, right tap, back, and in. Out, in, out. Left lock step. Right lock step. Left, right, left. Right, left, right, and turn, 2, 3. Can you keep going? Yeah. All right. Now coming to the back. And guess what? Don't matter where you at. It's a 4-wall dance. So all you do is just get out of the clap. Twist, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, okay. This is the leg that's messed up. Twist, 2, 3, 4. All right, I got that? So here we go. What's the end part 2 to that? Let's see what we have. Tap out. Tap out. Start with part 2. Tap in, out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap in, out, in, out. Left lock step, right lock step. Left, right, left. Right, left, right, and turn, 2, 3, 4. Twist, 2, 3, 4. Stay here. Kick step. Kick step back. Yes. You all right back there? You okay? Okay. So all you do is twist. Twist, 2, 3, 4. Kick step back. Kick step back. Everybody good? Can I keep going? Yeah. Right here. I told you it's got turns. Right tap left tap forward. Left, all you do is this. Right tap left tap forward. Some of y'all didn't get that. Alright, I gotta finish this last part. This is part 3. Right tap left tap forward, rock. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half turn. Here we go. Part 2, part 3. Part 3. Start with the clap. 5, 6.
This is too many steps to be a one-legged
One of those days, y'all will understand these terms. Okay? Right here. Start with the clap. 5, 6. Give me that clap. Twist, 2, 3, 4. Kick step back. Kick step back. Right tap left tap forward. Rock. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Here we go. One more time. All right, start that clap. 5, 6, 7. Twist. 2, 3, 4. Kick step back. Kick step back. Right tap forward. Left tap. Rock. Right, left. Guys, we only got one part left. And guess what? It's also your new wall. Alright, from the top, from the very top to this wall. 1, 2, 3. Right. Here you go. Think about this. Here you go. Remember, jump up, jump back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump up. Jump back. Walk 2. Right, left kick. Right kick, left. Right high cross, right. Up on the left 3, 4. The return tap. Out. In. out, in, out. Left like step, right like step. Left, right, left. Right, left, right, and turn. 2, 3, twist. 2, 3, 4. Kick, step, back. Kick, step, back. Right tap left, left tap quarter. Rock. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, don't leave, y'all. We see a whole lot of dancers left. Y'all can finish the front door. That good? Everybody good? Yeah. Last part of the dance. This is going to get you real. Right here. Look, let me look back to that.
One leg.
So rock it up, and you rock back kick. Rock, kick, rock, kick. Right foot in front. Right foot in front. Yeah, right foot in front. Here we go. Rock it, you rock it forward, you rock back, kick 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, and rock and kick. Rock and kick, kick. Yeah, if you get ready to go forward. Here we go. Rock it back. 5, 6, rock it back. Feminine patty. Feminine patty. Kick and cross. Kick and cross. Yeah, right. Here we go. We're getting better. Almost finished. 5, 6, 7, 8, and feminine patty. Feminine patty. Kick and cross. Kick and cross. You take the same foot, right foot. All you do is this. Kick and cross, step out. For the turn. Yeah, if you're ready to go back to the left, go back to the right. Here we go. Bring it back, one time. I didn't get up there, there's something to do with it. Okay, this way, just pull on in. 5, 6, 7, 8, kick and cross. Kick one, do not put your foot down on the third one. Alright? Do not put your foot down on the third one. Right back kick. Right back kick. Kick and cross. Kick and cross, step out for a turn. One more time. Somebody remind your neighbor, do not put your foot down on the third one. I know. I didn't remember that. Here we go. Try again. Here we go. Here we go. Right rock. Right tap left. Left tap rock. Rock. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick and cross. Kick and cross. Step out for a turn. Right here. Take it right over there. Shuffle 2. Shuffle 2. Cross and cross. Yes. Alright, so, do me a favor. Turn back to this wall. So we're going to do that. Kick, step back, right tap left. Kick, step back. 5, 6, kick, step back. Kick, step back, right tap left tap quarter rock. Right, left, kick and cross. Right, you know how to jump, but guess what? Jumping and kick and cross. Yeah. Alright, we do it again. More music. Right here. Kick, step back. Everybody turn to the back wall. Kick, step back. You want the right ball, but you're going sideways. Kick, step back. Right tap left tap quarter. Rock. Right, left. Peppermint kick. Kick and cross. Step out for a turn. Cross and cross. That's right. Cross and cross. One more time. We're almost finished, y'all. Here we go. Yeah, here we go. Part 4. And we're going to finish part 4 and do it again. Start with the clap. 5, 6, 7, twist. 2, 3, 4. Kick, step back. Right tap left tap forward rock. Right, left, peppermint kick. Kick and cross. Step out, cross and cross. Step twist. Close to step. And that's the end of the game. One more time. Part 3 and part 4. All I do is this. Cross and cross step. I kick, step back. Kick, step back. Right tap, left, and left tap, quarter. Right, left, left with a peppermint kick. And a peppermint kick. I kick, then cross. I kick, then cross, step out with the right. Crossing, cross, back, twist. With a poster step, right up. Right back, 1, 2. Right, left kick, right kick, left, right, out, in, cross, right, up on the left, right, back, out, in, out, left line step, right line step, left, right, and turn, 2, 3, twist, 2, 3, 4, kick, step back, right tap left tap forward, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, peppermint kick, I kick in cross. Kick in cross, right out for the with the cross kick. That twist! Coast step, right there. Right back. 1, 2, kick 2. Right out, in cross, right up, 3, 4. Left, right, tap, back, out, in, out. Left side cross, right, 2. Left, right, and turn. Twist, 2, 3, 4. Kick step back. Right tap left tap front, rock, 1, 2, 3, 4, with a peppermint kick, I kick in cross, step out cross 2, then twist coaster, follow right up, right back, 1, 2, kick 2, right out and cross to the back wall, then right tap back, out, in, out, left walk, 2, left, to the front door. Twist, 2, 3, 4, with a kick step back, all right, tap left, and left tap forward, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, peppermint patty, a peppermint kick in cross, right down, down to 2, step twist, coaster step,